Welcome my crafty and planner friends, Sarah here. Thanks so much for stopping by. Today's plan with me, I will be planning in my classic catch-all happy planner dashboard layout for October 5th through the 11th. I have some stamps that I'll be sharing with you guys that I use for this plan with me, glitter paint, and seasonal 1607. So if you guys want to see this plan with me, then keep on watching. Okay friends, thanks for stopping by. Be sure to hit that notification bell if you guys want to see more crafty planner related videos from me. Okay, so this is my mom catch-all planner. Last week I did the Mickey Mouse inspired theme for Disney's collection or collab with Happy Planner. It's super cute. So let me know if you guys got anything from the Disney collection that released Sunday, October 4th. I got a couple of things, so I'm excited for that. So we will be planning for October 5th through the 11th, and we're going to do a Halloween inspired spread because I wanted to use these cute stamps from Recollections Halloween Papercraft collection that came out, and they're cute little trick-or-treaters. So I'm going to share with you guys the plan with me here. At the end of the video is going to be the process to how I actually transform these into planner stickers. So if you guys want to see that, it'll be after the plan with me. And then I'm going to use 1607, the holiday stickers in here, the Halloween ones. This was an older one that I found at Hobby Lobby. And then I'm going to use glitter paint because I think it just has all those cute pastel spooky vibes. So I use this one. But before I get started, I want to change out my cover. I had created my own Halloween cover just for October for my classic. I think it's so cute. I shared a tutorial on how to do this on my Instagram. I think I might have saved it in my highlights in the Halloween portion. So definitely check out my Instagram and follow me there for more inspiration. But I just use Happy Planner packaging that's pre-punched. I use cardstock paper and a lightweight chipboard in between. So it's kind of sturdy because I didn't want to laminate it. So we're going to go ahead and change that out. Super cute. I just used Halloween paper pad that I had. It's super cute. Oh, and then I added the new Halloween sticker book from Happy Planner, the small 5-pack. I added stickers in between because this was just a cat paper pad image. So I thought it was really cute. And then I want to take this out and add this cardstock paper just to give it more of a fun decorative touch. And I actually just used this to measure out the cardstock, so it'd be easier. And I still have my little notepad. This is Happy Planner. It's an old one with this cute little Shine Sticker Studio die cut. It's their Harry Potter Gryffindor collection. So I definitely have a tutorial on this cute paper clip. If you guys want to check that out, I'll put it in the description box down below. But I think I'm going to take these out. I need to go through that because I keep those there for my mom to go on the go, or just stickers that I use for like mom related stuff. So super cute. I definitely wanted to do that. All right. So now we can get into planning out for the 5th and the 11th. I'm just going to take the pages out because it's easier. Alrighty, so I am pre-prepped this week. I don't have a lot of like notes to the side. All I know this week is that we have fall pictures, practices, I have some to-dos for the week, and prepping for a future birthday in the works. It's my husband's birthday the following week. And then I think I have dinner plans with some friends. But basically, I'm going to be writing down some of the girls' school stuff in here. But I do have my stickers pulled out and my layout pre-planned for you guys, so this would be a little bit easier. I am going to put you on a speed mode, but we'll talk a little bit more after. And then don't forget that towards the end of the video, I will have a process video on how I made these cute little trick-or-treaters into stickers. So it's still like the paper material, and I think they turned out really cute. All right, so let's get to planning. Already laid all the stickers down. I think it's super cute. I really love the colors this week that I pulled together. I think I'm just in a pastel spooky vibe, and I really think that glitter paint is a really good sticker book for that, for Halloween spreads. I also think Stargazer is really great if you have that one, especially like with all the foiling and the cute stars in here. I haven't really used this one too much, so I was really glad that I was able to use this sticker book this week. And then, yeah, I know this one's a little bit older. Hopefully you guys can find it. Maybe you already have it in your stash if you collect, you know, Happy Planner stickers. But I pulled a lot of the spider webs from this one. And this week I decided to leave my focus section, inspiration section. Usually I use this for notes, but I will probably use this or pop in a happy notes, like a half sheet happy notes. Sometimes I do that for list making or extra notes. Yeah, I think it's super cute. Let me know what you guys think. And again, I will have a process video on how I made these. It's super easy. Hopefully you guys give stamping a try. I mean, that's why I love it, that you can paper craft with it and also utilize it in your planner. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I'd love to have you here, and happy crafting, and just have fun with your planner this week or this month, and I will see you all in the next one. Okay, I'm using the Canson mixed media paper because I can use it for watercoloring and other markers. And I like using the Ranger Archival ink in black, and I like to warm up my stamp on my hand just to get it going. So I'm stamping out each cute little image, and then I stamp it off to another second piece of paper just to clean off my stamp. It just makes it easier that way in the process. So I'm taking my Crayola Super Tips. They come in so many colors and they're super affordable, and they're really great for beginners. And I'm going for like a pastel look for Halloween. I have my water brush and water bottle I like to use. I know I'm getting super lazy. So I just take a wash of color, and then I use the water brush to kind of blend out that color, and it kind of gives it a nice faded little image. I think it's just really great for beginners, and it's a great way to get practice in. And I just really like these markers. They're just super easy. These little trick-or-treaters are the cutest. So I get to use my new Tim Holtz mat that you guys saw me haul in that Hobby Lobby clearance finds. It's really great. I'm just like dabbing off each color in between. You can see how simple and easy this is. It's super fun. Definitely a great way to use up your stamps and just to get practice in. So on this ghost here, I find that I tried to add multiple layers. So I would go with one layer of color and then add the water, and then try to add in some shading and definition. I find that if you kept layering, that eventually the paper would shred up and it didn't look so well. So I would only layer maybe like twice and let it dry. This is what I use to make them into stickers. I've kind of had this for a very long time, and I just wanted to use the paper up because you don't necessarily need this. You could definitely just cut them out and add your choice of adhesive, but I definitely wanted to use up this paper because I've had it for a very long time. And so you just slide it through there and peel off the film, but because of the size, it definitely has to be a small image because I run into a problem, and I'll share with you guys in the video. But now I'm just fussy cutting it out, and you can see that it still is, you know, has that paper texture. There's no glossing coat with that paper, so you can definitely just cut them out and add adhesive to the back. Now I'm taking my micron, and I want to cover up all those white spaces with the black micron pen. It's a cool little trick. So my little dude there did not fit, so I just fussy cut him out and add some double-sided tape, and I left a space so I could stamp a spooky image to the front. So I didn't fussy cut him out entirely. But I hope you guys enjoyed this plan with me. I think it was super cute and fun to do something different and to get crafty and to maybe try watercoloring and stamps in your planner. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one. Take care and happy planning. Bye!